Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you super easy ombre French manicure and then further going to do nail art on it. First thing first, I will be prepping my nails by applying some vaseline around my cuticles that will help us to clean the mess later, and then I am going to apply the base coat first, which is really important for healthy nails. After all the prepping, let's get into the video. I will be grabbing a nude nail polish and start painting my nails nude and letting them dry completely, which will turn matte later. Now grab a white nail polish and a makeup sponge. I am going to paint a strip of white nail paint on the top of sponge and then painting the rest of sponge with the same nude nail polish that I used before, and also overlapping these two nail paints in the middle. To dab the makeup sponge on the nail, making sure that the white side is on the tip of my nail, and going to keep on dabbing and blending the colors together until I am happy with it. Taking a Faces nail paint remover and a Q-tip, I am going to clean up any traces of nail polish that is around my cuticles. Of course, putting some diamond beads on my ring finger like so, which is my favorite part also. I am going to finish the nail art with the top coat. And that's pretty much it. Super easy ombre French manicure. We can leave it here also and we are good to go. But I am going to do second nail art continuing with this. I have taken nail art pens and black nail paint and going to put dots on my thumb in an arch like shape like so, and apply only one coat of glitter in between arches, and I am going to complete it with some top coat. Then on the forefinger, I have done sections by using these tapes and divided the nail into 3 parts. However, we'll paint the top part with black matte nail paint, leaving the middle part barely touched. I am going to apply glitter on the bottom of the nail and increasing the intensity of glitter with makeup sponge. On the baby finger, I am going to divide the nail diagonally and put some random dots in one section and also outlining again with the glitter one. Lastly, on the middle finger, I am going to draw a triangle with the black nail paint and filling it with same. I am also going to outline the triangle with glitter and put some dots here too. And voila! I hope you liked the tutorial. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. I shall meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.